Hey everyone, and welcome back to Girl Tech Decoder. Today, I'm super pumped to introduce to you something amazing. Our brand new Python programming tutorial series. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up your skills, this series is for you. So let's dive right in. You might be wondering, why Python? Well, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and for good reasons. It's easy to learn, versatile, and powerful. From web development and data science to artificial intelligence automation, Python can do it all. Here's a sneak peek of what you will learn. 1. Basics of Python. We'll start with the fundamentals, that is, variables, data types, and the syntax. 2. Control structures. Learn how to make decisions, conditions, and loops. 3. We have functions and modules. Break your code into manageable pieces. Create models to extend your Python capabilities. 4. We have working with data. Dive into lists, dictionaries, and how to manage data effectively. Projects. We'll build projects along the way in order for you to learn what you have seen and see Python in action. What makes our tutorial series stand out? It's interactive. You won't just watch me code, you'll code along with me. And if you have any problem, I'll always be at your disposal. So why should you join our Python programming tutorial? Here are some reasons. 1. We have hands-on projects. Get your hands dirty on real coding challenges and projects. 2. We have community support. We have a community where you can always ask questions and your question will be answered. 3. We have career boost. Python skills are highly demanded. Whether you're looking to start a new career in tech or brush up the skills you already have, this tutorial is for you. Learning Python can open up amazing opportunities. Ready to start your Python adventure? Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, let's decode Python and make the journey fun and exciting. See you in a Python series. Let's code our way to success.